I just thought I'd quickly show you my setup for when I'm doing any dressmaking. I have my sewing machine there, so anything that needs stitching I can do that, but I've also got my Serger overlocker here, so I can sit on my chair, turn it, use the overlocker, and then turn again and use the sewing machine. So I've got them all there to hand, but at the moment I can't get on my seat because, as per usual, Mason is on my seat. Yes, but that's my setup and it's very easy. When I'm quilting I'll have my sewing machine there, and here I will put my iron so I can stay seated and press things. That way it doesn't hurt me back. So there are bonuses to having a small area. You do find really good, convenient ways. But I'll show you what I'm doing now. And basically I sew most of it together while I'm serging. So I'm going to start with the pockets of this cardigan first. Same as on the sewing machine, there is a lever for lifting your foot and putting it back down, but the easiest thing to do is just lift up the foot and put it back down on your material, your fabric, and then just speed along it. It does wobble, it's so solid here. Alright, because I've already made this pattern, I know that I'm going to need all of the pocket serging apart from that bit, I think. Yes. Just go straight off it, but what I do when I'm doing a corner is take some of my thread through and then just put it under my foot, and it'll cut the threads as it goes. Make sure you leave a long tail, or otherwise it's going to mess your serger up, unthread itself, and it means that you've got to thread it again. I could thread it for you and show you how it's threaded, but I'm not. I'm leaving the colours that's on it, which is white and black, so that you can see where I've serged. I haven't serged down this edge because that edge will actually be going in the seam, so it'll get serged then. But I'm not showing you how to thread it because they're all slightly different, all the machines are, and my secret weapon for threading my serger is at work at the moment. Yes, I get urged to thread it because I just can't. And one of my cottons is wrapped around the handle. But that's as easy as it is. The ski pants I've made, when I'm serging the edges, I serge them together, and that sews it up at the same time. So it's extremely quick. So all I've got to do is a little bit of stitching on the sewing machine and put the elastic on, and they're done then. And again, let your cotton run through. Now let me show you. You could lift your foot up, slide your fabric under, foot down, but it's easier just to poke it under. Very, very quick. And as you can see, my scrap bag's here doing its job. All the bits are going in it. So that's the 2 pockets serged now. You can see the black on it. And as I say, I've left one there because I know that's going in the seam. Yes, although it looks like I'm making a cardigan out of the same colour green as I'm making the ski pants, I aren't. There isn't enough material for me to get sleeves out of this light green fabric. So what I decided to do is I can get them out of the dark green, so I'll cut them out of the dark green, and I thought to make it match and look proper, I'm going to have dark green pockets on it, so it doesn't look like an afterthought that because I've run out of fabric. It's gone dark now. It's about 5 o'clock at night and I'm still sewing away. I don't know how much of the footage I've taken today I'll actually be able to show because the workmen are outside putting traffic lights there while they're building. But I'm now sewing them together. I put the sleeves in. So as I've said before, I just sew it together using me Serger overlocker. If you use pins, you must make sure that either you take them out before they get to your foot, because there is a knife blade in there that cuts, or you pin higher up so they'll go past. But these are pinned in, so I'll take them out. As I told you, when I was doing the pockets, they get actually sewn in the seam, so they're in there. But I do like the finish that an overlocker gives me. It's more professional looking, and especially on stretch, it works wonders. Stretch fabrics I'm on about. and you don't have to worry about what seam allowance you're doing. I'm doing the seam allowance that the overlocker gives me. Now I'm coming up to the shoulder seams and I'm making sure the seams butt together as you do in quilting, so it's lessening the bulk there. One thing you have to do is make sure that you are, if you're sewing them up using your overlocker and you're not going to sew them with the sewing machine afterwards, you have to make sure that your edges are both there, or you'll end up not doing it right. But it seems to me faster than doing the sewing machine, because you're overlocking the edges, helps stop fraying, and you're sewing it together at the same time. And because I've made this pattern before, it's a bit easier for me. I might have to go round and just sew down the cups, but it looks alright at the moment. I'll see. That's one sleeve sewn in. I'll do the other one now, and as I said, the pocket gets sewn straight into the seam.